मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. We are at present standing at the prominent chowk of this city. It is the main intersection point, Bharat Nagar Chowk, where you can see it has been taken over by a corporate firm, and you can see they have placed some signboards over here, which is read as Dil Se Ludhiana. So on one side it is written in full English, that Dil Se Ludhiana. On one side it is written in full Hindi, and when it is about Punjabi, you can see there is no full Punjabi over here. It is very disrespectful. So PAC members, they have gathered over here at Bharat Nagar Chowk. So they were earlier demanding that the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, it should be placed over here, as well as the tank, because earlier also statue of Major Bhupinder Singh and tank was placed at this intersection point. Now, as this intersection point has been reconstructed, now this intersection point has been given over to a corporate firm who have placed a cycle over here at this intersection point, and we will try to talk to the members of a public action committee. We are having with us Kapil Arora. Kapil Arora ji, what do you want to say that as you are demanding that a statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as tank should be placed over here?
Actually, before 2 decades ago, this place was well known by the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as the tank one from Pakistan. And after when the chowk was demolished and traffic lights were installed,
Right.
the tank was shifted to government college, outside government college for women, and thereafter it was shifted to Rose Garden land.
Right.
But when now the roundabout is again being reinstalled, and we were hoping that the statue of Major Shahid Bhupinder Singh ji and the tank would be replaced here. Once
Right.
again, it will be brought back and given the tribute to the Major Bhupinder Singh. But the Punjab government has bowed down to the corporate sector,
Right.
and now it is just like selling all the public places to the corporate like Hero Cycles and others. And even earlier, the Rakhbag was given to Hero Cycles, and the statue of their ancestors or their seniors was Elder Mr. Munjal was installed, which was removed after the directions of Honorable National Green Tribunal.
Right.
Now they have captured, they have kept, you can say, try to grab the land of Parthagar Chowk and trying to give the shape of Hero Cycle Chowk instead of over Parthagar Chowk. And we are again trying that the Major Bhupinder Singh statue as well as tank should be reinstated here. And we are requesting the people of Punjab to come on 3rd of October, which is the 60th murder day of Major Bhupinder Singh.
Okay.
And yes, and we all should gather here and demand from Punjab government that this cycle or any advertisement should be removed from the Parthagar Chowk, and statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as the tank should be installed here in a dignified manner.
Right. So, as you heard that Kapil Arora, he mentioned that the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, it should be reinstalled over here by removing the cycle as well as the advertisement from this prominent intersection point of the city. We are having with us another member, Dr. Amandeep Bains. Sir, there are signboards over here on the 3 sides. In one side, it is written in full Hindi, that is Dil Se Ludhiana. On other side, we can see it is in full English, Dil Se Ludhiana. On the third side, it should be in full
English.
Punjabi. It should be in
Not in Punjabi. Only the Lalla word, the one alphabet is in Punjabi. The problem is they want land. They want to own a land. But they do. But the three things are missing here. If you see, they don't want to name the roundabout Bharatnagar Chowk. They have a problem with word Bharat. They have a problem with the word with our language Punjabi. And again, they don't want to install the bust of Major Bhupinder Singh here, the tank here, but they want to install their own insignia here. They are changing the biggest landmark of Ludhiana, and it's a start. I think the corporate people, they are after our land. They had the cheap land from Punjab governments successfully in last 2 decades. Now they are after our roundabouts. This is history to us. We brought up in Ludhiana. We remember this chowk as a Bharatnagar chowk, but this is a massive loot in collaboration with the newly elected representative and the DC itself. We given a letter. We told him this is what our people want, and moreover, a DC. He is not a glorified clerk. He is he's a bureaucrat. He should understand what is the landmark about it. What is the name of and itself name is missing is at this particular point, and the message is clear. We will fight for it. We want our Major Bhupinder Singh's bust in the roundabout and the tank, obviously. And we want the name written in our language of the land, which is very clear, which is boldly clear. This is not tolerable what they are doing. Thank you.
So we will try to talk to another member, Jaskira ji. Jaskira ji, as Kapil Arora ji and Amandeep Bans, they have cleared that they want that statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, it should be reinstalled over here, as well as the tank, and as well as the language should be it should be full Punjabi, because Chief Minister Punjab Bhagwant Singh Mann, when he took the oath as a CM Punjab, he clearly mentioned that every department, the name plates, it should be in Punjabi language, and similarly that was implemented across the departments. So now, when it is about Ludhiana city, the main prominent chowk, it is very disrespectful to see that Punjab to the Punjabi language. So how you see this?
I see it as a very incompetence of our government and the chief minister. You see, this is a self goal. They could have installed the tank. They could have also placed an advertisement. They could have probably said, the hero cycle salutes the real hero of the country or something like that.
Right.
They could have made it into a beautiful, place and given respect to everyone who deserves respect. But they are not intelligent people. So they are doing self goals. They are ruffling feathers of people unnecessarily. And you know what happens when you ruffle feathers of Punjabis?
Right.
Then they won't let you install anything then.
Right.
So now a protest is going to happen. It is the 60th martyrdom day of the great martyr Bhupinder Singh, who was a hero of the country and who belonged to Ludhiana. So how can we let this happen?
Right.
So we are giving warning to CM Mann that you have done one self goal. Don't do another by letting us protest on 3rd. Fix it before that.
Right.
Because otherwise this is going to blow up into a major controversy, and you will not be able to afford it.
Right. Thank you so much. So these were members of Public Action Committee who have announced to stage a massive protest on October 3 to observe the 60th Martyrdom Day of Major Bhupinder Singh. They are demanding that the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as the tank should be reinstalled over here at the prominent Bharatnagar Chowk of the city where the statue was earlier, and moreover, the correction should be made to the signages where it is in full Hindi and English on the 2 sides. It should be in full Punjabi language, giving respect to the Punjabi language here in Ludhiana. So you're watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.